this is Jim. Are you looking for one kind of smarter milling CNC press brake? Do you want one kind of this kind of small CNC press brake? Good price and easy operate. The most important is easy for you put in your workshop. Now, today, we want to introduce one type of our RONGWIN brand milling CNC press brake. Okay, now follow me. Let's give you more introduce about this kind of machines. Now in our workshop, we are ready for delivery 6-setter this kind of milling CNC press brake to our 8 customers. They order. We are very thankful for their trust to order us 6-setter machines, 4 sets for their custom, 2 sets for their showroom. Okay, now let's give you more introduce about these machines. Firstly, we want to tell you why we say this is very good price design machines, because it is a Toshiba structure CNC design, but we will put into the CNC controller match with our electrical button control to meet your needs of the Z-axis right and left for back gauge, and also for the R-axis up and down, so that you can get one kind of very good price to filling CNC 6 plus 1 axis machines. So this is very good price, right? Okay, secondly, now we see how it's very easy to operate these machines. You know, if you choose NC type press brake, you should take a lot of time to operate it. But if you choose this kind of CNC controller, you can put your bending angle and back gauge details in controller is okay. Secondly, if we want to operate the stop finger Z-axis, we just operate like this, and R-axis like this, so that it's very easy and convenient for you to operate, right? Okay, and last, why we say it because we have lots of customers, they are headache because their workshop is very, very small. So how to put into their workshop? So according to your needs, we design the controller in front instead of the controller here to take a lot of space. Then we also put it the guarding, the safeguarding. The whole structure is very beautiful and excellent design, right? The most important, you know, nowadays the sea freight is very higher. We design like this. No matter we will put in the wooden packing or the whole container, it also can reduce your freight cost. For our this 6-setter machines, we can put in the 120 controller. We also can use our wooden packing like this to use LCL freight, so that you can save a lot of freight cost, right? Okay, now we give you all the introduce about our this milling CNC press brake. Are you ready to buy one milling CNC press brake? Okay, the milling CNC press brake, please choose the RONGWIN. Thank you.